than that, let us try to, the top, but some tips. For example, tip number 1, avoid controversial subject for average research. Don't take religion, caste, politics in your subject. This is my suggestion, right? And then, avoid concept. Let's say bridge positioning. I will never advise you to take PhD topic. It is basically, it optimizes the advertising effectiveness. If you go to Google, type bridge positioning, you'll find my name. I have published 4 or 5 papers. But I will never suggest you do a research on PhD using bridge positioning, because it is basically conceptual paper. Conceptual paper may, when you are proposing something new, it doesn't make sense, right? Because it requires a lot of validations. It's just a suggestion. It all depends upon what content you have. It can be overruled. Let me also mention. Yeah. Subject which is overdone. जैसे अभी online payment, सभी इतने लोग कर रहे हैं. I tell you, online payment during Corona time. I got the review of this paper after 1 year. I got the review after 1 year, sir. I have forgotten. So what I did, I prepared a short paper and then got it published somewhere else. Suddenly, ये paper आ गया मेरे पास कि your paper is evaluated and these are the major changes you have to do, and then you submit it, then we will review. That means major one. That means paper is, for chances are good. So otherwise, कोरोना पे बहुत रिसर्च हुआ है, ऑनलाइन, कोरोना, बिहेवियर, जिसको देखो वही टॉपिक कर रहा है. तो ओवर देन टॉपिक में नहीं करना है, समथिंग डिफरेंट. ऐसे मैंने बताया हैप्पीनेस पे, रीड्स पे, काफी डिफरेंट अलग था टॉप पीएचडी टॉपिक. देन हाउ टू लॉन्च अ प्रोडक्ट, एक कोई टॉपिक, राइट? हाउ पीपल रिएक्ट टू न्यू ब्रांड इज नॉट अ टॉपिक. अवॉइड. Then too narrow, too vague, I explained to you, right? Like pharmaceutical marketing activities, exports, right? Subject related should be feasible so that related research material or source should be available. Very, very important, sir. My humble request, don't be adamant, don't have obsession. Ask yourself, can I get primary data? Nowadays, we have changed our style. We don't focus on literature review or writing research proposal. Side by side, you have to prepare a questionnaire, do a survey, try to see whether topic में दम है, कुछ information मिलता है, नहीं मिलता है, before we write a research proposal. Because if you write a research proposal and if it is accepted, and if you don't get data, then again you have to resubmit the data for research proposal. So पूरा मेहनत जो है खत्म हो जाएगा. So don't be in a hurry, sir. There will be a pressure, but don't be in a hurry. Let's do a job because we have to complete our PhD, right? Normally I don't push pressures. Unless you're sure, then only we decide. Tip number 3. Does topic selected require extensive training? Blockchain जैसे है. Selection of topic must be preceded with preliminary study. Very, very important. As I was telling you earlier, आपने topic select किया, you do focus interview, whether you will get होते नहीं है. That's what I'm saying, right? So, tip number 4. Basic assumption related to problem topic should be clearly stated. That means, what are the assumptions you have selected? Why productivity in Japan is higher than India? Very difficult. Assumptions. Question: what sort of productivity? What industry? If you are trying to study a comparative study of productivity in the of Japan and India, which industry? Clear होना चाहिए. which period. For an example, one gentleman, we got the topic approved on merger acquisition. So I said, merger acquisition तो कौन से period में होना चाहिए वो तो लिखो आप. During the period 10 साल का होता चाहिए. And for an example, when you are doing literature review, don't go beyond. You start with 2010 onwards, because if you start with 2000 or 1990, वो सब पुराना हो गया. 2010 onwards ही लेना है आपको PhD के लिए. Because by the time you complete, it will be 2022 or 23. That is my target, right? Within 2 साल में complete करना है. तो आपको 10 साल पीछे जाना है. Am I clear? Don't dig out the data which is available in 1990 or 2000 unless it is a theory. Unless there is a theory or a model which you want to explain, certain behavior model if you want to explain, is a fear. Fear model was discussed in 2003. Earlier it was propounded in 1985. It was extrapolated in 2003, practiced in 2004 onwards. Then Reuter et al. So, and just, that is allowed. Theory is allowed, but not, I'm just sharing. अभी जो पेपर में आया है, मैंने दिया था वो पैंडेमिक में लोग, they are anxiety, they are depressed, और मैंने एग्जांपल दिया था 2009 का. तो वो रिव्यू ने बोला, अरे 2009 से क्या रिलेशन है अभी कोविड से? उस समय तो कोविड नहीं था ना, राइट? उससे इससे क्या रिलेशन है? सो आई हैव टू राइट दैट वो रिलेशन ये है कि during the pandemic, I have to change the word. I have used the word pandemic, right? During the pandemic period, people were more anxious, they were more depressed, anxiety level was very high, there was a violent behavior among the people, right? The same behavior is observed during COVID-19 era also, and I have to support with my reference. I have also published one paper earlier, and plus latest references of 2020-21, and just answering those papers, because I was surprised, उसने एकदम minutely पकड़ा, right? So these reviewers, you have to understand. I am also learning, right? So मैंने तो लगा दिया पेंडेमिक में होता है, बट उससे बोला अरे पेंडेमिक में 2003 में होता था, आप उसको कैसे आप इसको रिलेट करोगे? आप ये 2020 है सर. What the message which he was trying to communicate. I hope you're getting your point. I'm just giving you the live example to make you understand. So period is very important. Then the criteria for selection of topics should be provided. Very, very important. Justify. And even in the introduction, you have to write what motivated you to select this topic before 8:30. So how to identify this as topic? Tip number 5. See, for an example, suitability of time period and source of data available is very important. क्या होता है 2010 onwards ही आपको लेना है, जैसे मैंने आपको कहा, unless it is theories. This is the I've added while I was preparing for your lecture. Then, the limitation scope must be defined. Selected topics should have current implications. Very, very important, sir. What is the current implications? आजकल बहुत से पेपर जो है reject हो जाते हैं because you are not telling that what is the current implication of your findings. Very, very important. And select topics should contribute to the knowledge in the desired field. That should be very strong. If it is not coming out well, it doesn't make sense to select the topic. Tip number 6. Choose a topic you love. Don't get carried away by the guide like me, right? Select a topic that will be helpful in your career path. This is what I always suggest. So you have to select a topic which you love. This is my suggestion. Find a topic that establishes your niche in your field. जैसे for an example, हमने एक REITs topic लिया था, in the construction industry, right? और अंदर टॉपिक लिया था कि हाउ लोअर इनकम ग्रुप हाउस what is the scope of construction industries for lower income group. So that is another niche topic which we took, and the person who took this topic is himself is a builder. So that's how, and both of them are in construction industries. So select a topic that you already have some expertise. So that is my suggestion, that where you know the subject better, you select that topic. Select a manageable topic. Very, very important. Don't select it. Don't be over ambitious. Like ये भी करना है, वो भी करना है. Don't do that. Then multifaceted topics should be avoided. Don't take a topic where so many variables are there. And it should motivate you. आपके कुछ करना है. That excitement होना चाहिए. Don't take घिसा पीटा topic. where ठीक है, डेटा अवेलेबल है, करवा लेंगे. ये ऐसा नहीं करना है सर. अपने को 6-7 पेपर पब्लिश करना बिफोर वी पब्लिश. So what you should do, sir? Brainstorm for the ideas. Choose topic that enable you to read and understand the literature review. Ensure the topic is manageable and the material is available. Very, very important. So material milta nahi hai, sir. That is the problem. Make a list of keywords, which we'll discuss next time. Be flexible. Don't be, adamant that मुझ पे इसी टॉपिक पे ही काम करना है. Consult your guide, right? Consult your guide means that is me, right? So you consult me and don't be adamant नहीं मुझे इस पे ही करना है, right? So be flexible. Define your topic as a focused research question. That means you ask your research questions in the introduction. When we'll discuss that. Research and read more about your topic. Formulate a thesis statement based on need for your study. Why you are doing this study? What end result you will get? आप सोचिए. Thought process scribble करिए ना. I told you give only 15 minutes per week. I'm not asking you to give more time, sir. If you give 15 minutes per week, I am with you. You will be able to do much more job. But 15 minutes, be focused. 15 minutes. Scribble down. ये topic मैंने पढ़ा. So this is my topic. इस topic के बारे में मैंने ये पढ़ा. These are the people have studied. So is it worth? Ask yourself. Am I doing something new? Ask yourself. That's what even at this stage I do. Ask myself. मैं अभी भी अपने को पूछता हूँ. कोई भी रिसर्च पेपर लिखता हूँ मैं, तो मैं पूछता हूँ क्या नया किया? Is something new? Will it pass through the screening process? नहीं, तो नहीं होगा तो फिर नहीं होगा. Tip number 7. Last pointer. Draft a brief working title for the study. So you write on my studies about what? Then you write down something detailed about your topic. How you will do, what you will study, what variables you feel are important. Take 2 topics. That's what normally I advise my researcher who are new. I said 2 topic ले लो, उसके बारे में स्टडी करो, आप टॉपिक लिखिए और सोचिए डेटा मिलेगा क्या नयापन हम कर रहे हैं. If you are getting the answer, then you go ahead. So plan A, plan B. Always there should be a plan A, plan B. And my humble request, please don't copy. Because there was one PhD student, not yet registered. She just copied. The moment I read, if I have published 210 paper, I can find out a copy hai ki. So I said, yeah, ये तो copy किया हुआ है. मैंने immediately बोला कि I don't accept copied research proposal. It is rejected and don't show me your face in the next 6 months. We'll discuss after 6 months. So please don't copy, think on your own and then do it. Some examples I have just summarized. Entry of mall will affect small retailers. Study of जैसे मैंने बोला online payment or at mom and pop store and consumers, or study of Paytm, or what she was using the word, some digital payment. That is correct word is digital payment. Study on digital payments adaptation among the mom and pop stores and consumer in post-COVID era. Or post-COVID नहीं डालना है, in acceptance among mom and pop store and consumers. Then sample में आप 4 metro cities ले सकते हैं. Don't take metro only Mumbai. Mumbai is not accepted. Maharashtra is not accepted. You have to have at least one big metro cities and Pune that is accepted. But Mumbai, only Mumbai not accepted. Only Pune not accepted. Right? You have to take at least 2 cities. Ideally 4 metro cities hoga. That is the best. How to measure the advertising effectiveness, CSR activities. These are a few topics. Or the employee behavior, such as performance, absenteeism, turnover, related to some topic, you can take up this topic. Employee attitude on job satisfaction, loyalty, organization commitment. Related to this, you can take HR related topic. So these are the few examples I thought let me share. Right. Some HR marketing example, HR example. Then you can do on sustainability. There is a new buzzword is happening. So this is the last slide which I have been using for the last 25 to 30 years, and this is for me, not for you. If you keep on doing today what you have always done, you will only get tomorrow what you have always got. I am using this for the last 30 years, 35 years. And when I read this, it motivates me to do something different. Thank you very much. If you have any question, you can ask. Otherwise, we can.